Gorontalo is located in the north of the island of Sulawesi. It is bordered by the Sulawesi Sea to the north, Tomini Bay to the south, the province of North Sulawesi to the east, and is next to Central Sulawesi to the west. Jalaluddin Airport provides an entry point to the province for visitors using air transport. The provincial district of Bonebolango is immediately next to Gorontalo city. Here you can enjoy the beauty of Olele beach. This beach is the gateway to a sea garden paradise. The natural beauty of this underwater area is well known around the world. Dive spots in the Olele Sea Garden are unique compared to other diving areas. Corals and giant sponges and a variety of other habitation are found only in this region.
Penetrating the surface of the sea, the morning sun illuminates the coral reef. Some fish have already left the crevices where they've been sleeping and have begun searching for food. Others are still hiding in the shadows. Every corner of this reef contains unusual and diverse species. In a clump of hydroids, a harlequin ghost pipefish seems more curious than afraid of the passing strangers, as also do the shrimps in the neighbouring fire coral. A nudibranch couple, caring of nothing else than feeding and mating. The careful observer can glimpse creatures previously unseen even in the most exposed places, like this nameless crab living inside Acropora coral. The wall drops dramatically to about 35 meters, where a narrow slope leads to the second wall, the bottom of which measures about 120 meters deep. Visibility approaches 30 meters, revealing a scattering of diverse sponges. To us, it looks like the terrain from some distant planet. One huge sponge stands out from among the others. It is a Salvador Dali sponge, a unique and recent discovery. Gorontalo's marine environment is incredibly diverse. This area of Sulawesi contains over 500 species of hard coral alone. Within the distance of a few hundred meters are found shallow coral gardens, coral walls, pinnacles, caverns, rubble and mud. Such diversity of environment means diversity of species. A giant coral pinnacle comes into sight, like a guard emerging from the mist. Another appears, and then several more. Each pinnacle attracts different marine life. past the giant columns, gobies watch over their neighbourhood, while shrimps keep busy excavating their common shelters. A seahorse, lacking a place to hide, imitates debris to avoid attention. A flounder lies still in the sand, until a stranger comes too close for comfort. Far below 40 meters and clearly visible is the bottom edge of the wall, ending in a sloping mud bottom. In the sheltered overhangs, protected from currents, hang colonies of strange white tunicates. Some colonies measure almost a meter in length. Tunicates are marine animals that have an in-current and an ex-current siphon for pulling in food and releasing waste. They can live singly as individuals or together as colonies. Called foxtail tunicates, these were discovered under gloomy overhangs in Gorontalo, such as the dramatic cavern that locals call Jinn Caves. Near the surface, there is a rubble area where currents and waves carry sand, making an ideal environment for a mix of marine life that lives well together. Crabs and shrimps often share the same anemone. A sea cucumber seems to pull itself along with its multiple mouthparts while searching for food. Some carry passengers, like this leopard cucumber with its emperor shrimps. Even a single starfish has hitchhikers. The emperor shrimp's relative, the soror shrimp, dresses in the colours of its host, using it for shelter. Another type of shrimp has completely different plans for the starfish. The funny and attractive harlequin shrimp looks harmless, yet preys on starfish. Working together, a pair of these shrimp will flip a starfish upside down and carry it to their lair, where it is kept alive, while the two shrimp devour it, one leg at a time. At the edge of the coral wall, the shore lies only a few meters away. In the waters above this thin strip of shallow reef is another unexpected find. Local children playing and diving just steps from the front of their homes.